Hello everyone, my name is Nemanja Živković and today I'm using chesswithnarik.com to record this video. Also I want to inform you that we already published our new platform chess.ai, so you can visit it. There is a lot of new features inside, and on both platforms we have during the week free webinars, so if you're free you can join so we can learn chess together. Today also we will discuss about this position on the board. Topic is gaining space, and we will try to find a good option how to continue with white pieces. Okay, so when you check whole position here, as you can see, position is, let's say, very blocked here, and if we cannot find a good option for white how to continue there, it should be very drawish, because black will just try to maybe put bishop somewhere back, or let's say maybe bishop to a6, rook goes to b8, knight goes to c5 and knight bd7. After that he will put some pressure maybe on a4 pawn. His knight will be very solid on c5 square. He will control these very important squares, and it's not that simple for us to do something more there if he let him to set up pieces like that, because position will be very blocked, and our bishop pair will be not that strong. So let's say right now to check few moves. Here if we try, maybe when we check position, these two pawns are not that strong, especially pawn on b6, and let's say if we play rook to b2, and if we try to put some more pressure on b6 pawn, that's not best option, because they can play rook to b8. Okay, let's say rook to b1, later we will try to move our queen, but it's not that simple to put more pressure on b6 pawn, because he'll always, you know, let's say play bishop here, and next move will be knight c5. If we give up this dark square bishop for that knight, later we will have a big problem with our light square bishop, because light square bishop is not that strong. There is a lot of pawns on the light squares. So that plan with rook to b2 and two double rooks on b5 is not good option. If we grab some space in the center with e4 pawn, right now of course also light square bishop will be weakened. His plan will be same. He can try to play rook here, and as I told you in a future, to jump with the knight there, knight bd7, and his position will be at least equal. Okay, so also pawn to e4 is not as strong. If we try to play bishop d3 or something like that to develop our pieces in the center, same idea. Rook goes here. Maybe in this position he will play rook to c8 and later knight in the center, so his position will be fine. Okay, and best option for white in this position. This move is maybe a bit weird for you, but it's very solid idea. What's the point? We have to play g4. G4, amazing option and very good idea. We grab some space on a king side of the board, and maybe you know, for you looks like our king is right now maybe bad because we pushed this pawn on g4, but it's not. His light square bishop here, we just control this long diagonal, and he cannot do anything very concrete there. And our very big threat in this position is pawn to g5. We almost try to trap this knight on f6. He'll have just knight to h5 move, but after that maybe we can play something like this to try to trap that knight, or when they move knight from f6, we will have amazing outpost for our knight, and it should be very difficult position for him, because later we threatens this pawn on d6, and it's a much better position for us. Okay, so in this position, let's say if they play pawn to h6, we can just go h4. Of course, right now if they play something bad, let's say king somewhere, then we can just push our pawn, and as I told you, after some trades, when they move knight somewhere back, we can just jump knight in the middle, and this is winning position. If they play, let's say right now knight here, of course we can take this knight. If they capture with pawn, we can collect pawn on b6. If they capture with queen, same thing, we can take this one, offer a queen trade, and at the same time we threaten his bishop. So also knight c5 is not a good option for him. if they, let's say, play rook somewhere, or rook to f8, we can kick away the knight. Pawn takes, pawn takes. And right now, okay, if they play something defensive like this, once again, we can jump with the knight here, bishop d3, or maybe bishop to h3, and also potential here we have this plan, rook lifting, rook here, rook there, and to try to maybe in the future mate somehow our opponent. So after g4 and this plan with g5, we have winning position.